What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bring you back another video today. Now, I know this ain't a regular type of video that I always normally do, but I'm gonna try this vlog style type video inspired from a couple of my local YouTube creatives. So today's shoot is going to be actually in Louisville, Kentucky. I gotta go up there, I gotta go to Cindy today. You've seen her before, she's been on my channel a lot actually. So, matter of fact, she was probably my last video, depending on when I post it, but we're gonna do a bikini shoot at a pool. This is what we're gonna kind of do today. Like I said, today, I just now got off of my 9 to 5, so now I'm gonna go ahead and get myself packed up and ready to go to Louisville, which is probably about 45 to an hour away from Lexington. And this is what we're gonna do. Like I said, just let me know in the comment below how you're really going to enjoy these vlog style type videos. So let's just go ahead and get right to the packing process, and I'm gonna show you what I'm going to pack. Let's go ahead and grab the off-camera flash bag right here. Right about here, gotta grab the legs, bro. And of course, the wide angle reflector, which is, I'm pretty sure this is what I'm mostly gonna use today. We are packed and ready to go out here. Man, like I said, the thing I packed up was, of course, my lighting bag. Man, I was supposed to have been doing a long time ago a freaking what's in my camera bag, off-camera flash edition. I will probably get to that eventually sometime, I don't know when, man. But I went ahead and brought my art strip box. I do like using that during bikini shoots. That's what we're gonna do here. It's supposed to rain. We're gonna find out. We're just gonna make the drive, but first we're gonna go to the store. Now you're back. I just got finished getting out of the grocery store. I've been driving for a while now, to be honest with you guys. I'm probably about 30 minutes out from where I need to be at. Today it was supposed to rain, but it's actually a very, very overcast day, so it's a lot of clouds, which is probably a good thing as of right now since I'm driving up here, because I really didn't know which way I was gonna go here. You know what I'm saying? I was thinking, I did bring my flash equipment, but at the same time, it is a pool, it's a public pool, so therefore I didn't want to bring it out there, especially if a lot of people's gonna be at that pool and kind of disturb, you know, the residents, people there. So today I actually may go all natural light today, just simply because it's very overclouded, it's a very overcast day, the clouds are just everywhere, so therefore, you know, just to kind of give you my thought process as I'm driving up here. Once again, now today on the agenda for today, man, this is the thing, man, on the agenda for today is this. All right, I'm going to do a video portrait, and I'm also going to shoot that with the Ninja Atomos. I'm going to shoot that with the Ninja Atomos, which is going to 4.2K output. It's going to be raw. I'm doing it in the raw format on Atomos, but I'm going to shoot at 60 frames a second, and I may shoot the reels at 120. Like I said, I got the A7S3, so I'm just really, really excited to use all of this. And I'm just going to do this video portrait with RAW. So therefore, like I said, I'm going to use the Ninja Atomos. I'm going to have it on the Ronin S, and I'm going to actually be using, with the lens, I'm going to be using the 28 to 70 kit lens that I have, which is vlogging me right now. That's the lens I'm going to use. But just messing with the RAW is actually going to be kind of, oh shit, I'm about to miss my fucking turn. Enough of that rambling. Let me focus on the drive, and you'll see me when I'm with her. Now, we done made it to a place. So now I'm about to go up here. We're gonna talk about what we're gonna do. Food shoot coming up soon. Go up here and get this in. Hopefully y'all enjoy this, man. Hopefully y'all enjoy this type of content I got going on for y'all. So what we're gonna do is just walk up here, walk these streets. Guess to kind of fill you in what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do a shoot. Yeah, are we walking?
Yeah.
Cause you like some type of speed walker, man.
I can't help it, I'm used to running down the stairs.
She's some type of speed walker, guys. The hell? I'm gonna go over here and examine this pool first just to see how many folks are in here first of all, and then after that, I'm gonna see what I want to grab, and then we're gonna go ahead and do this. Say hi to the peeps.
Hey, the peeps. Oh, photos.
So,
Thank you, baby.
you see, she get the compliments everywhere. Hey guys, this fucking pool is swole, bro.
I did warn you.
Look at this.
But what we're gonna do?
Yeah, now look, me and her are both second guessing right now. But guess what? Blame her because we're supposed to do this.
No, you don't blame me. You blame God.
Hang on.
Don't make me go
This is what's gonna go on, guys. This is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna tell you exactly who to blame. Blame Cindy, because technically, we're supposed to do this on a Monday. Okay? So she hits me up and she's like, something's going on, I'm going through a crisis. We're not doing it on Monday. How about the very next day? I said, all right, cool. That's what this shit is.
You should follow him. Yeah. He's awesome.
This pool is swole. All right. With that being said, a lot of people is here. I think what I'm going to do is just grab the equipment. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna grab the equipment and just use natural light because this pool is so freaking busy. It's just gonna be strictly natural light. And I may not even do the video portrait now because there's just so many people here. This vlog is turned into more of a really like a long ass vlog thing. Like I said, you're not gonna get a temperature intro. The pool is super fat, so I didn't bring my other tripod. Like all plans are going to hell right now. All right, guys, this is what I'm gonna do. My thought process as of right now, since all the plans are changing, my thought process now is to I'm gonna try to isolate her the most. You know, I'm gonna start off with the 45 just because it's a 45, so I have a little more room to work with where I can get up a little closer. I can be more confined. Because the thing I don't want to do is pull out the 105 and then where I'm going to need space. You know what I'm saying? Because you know it's 105, so I'm going to need space. But my goal is to really kind of eliminate, you know, this background and not show people things of that nature. So it's a little challenging, but it's nothing I haven't done before. You know what I'm saying, guys? Ain't nothing I haven't accomplished before. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm not trying to follow nobody's poo right now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Lay down on the cabana. I mean, why do I call it a cabana? I am tripping.
Just like lay down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just like you do any other normal pool day, you know what I'm saying?
Sure, yeah.
I don't want to change up your flows, you know what I'm saying? I like you being honest there. I eat right 75% of the time.
I ain't gonna lie to you.
Not 100% of the time, just 75% of the time. All right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, I want you to lay on your side. I just want you to not other side. You got less kids over here. We just got to worry about one kid over there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bring that leg that's pointed down just a tad bit. Yeah, thank you. Not so. Yeah, thank you. 1, 2, 3. I like that one.
Yes, I do like that one. That one I do like.
Yeah.
I do
Couple. Yeah. Tell me when you're ready to
I'm ready.
get it all in. Take it all in. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I like these a lot better. 1, 2, 3. Stay there. 1, 2, 3. A fishnet in between there?
Yeah, it's like mesh.
That's what I was thinking.
I really like it because it just looks like it's like floating.
That's what I was like. That's what I was thinking. 1, 2, 3. Okay, ready?
Right.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Put your hand on that other. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold that, Sam. Bring your hand down a little bit. Yeah, right, about right there. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3.
Hold on, I really got something.
This one's it. All right. 1, 2, 3. And going. Just gonna bump the ISO a tad bit. There we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Nice. All right now, guys, as y'all can see, we just got finished done killing the shoot at the pool. It was pretty awesome. It was pretty lit. I hope y'all enjoyed those photos that we got going and that we took for you guys. Even up to this point, of course, I would have got some sample photos because, like I said, this is a new style, so I'm just really trying to get used to it and figure out all the good things to do. But now what's time to do is take that long ride back to the crib, which is in Lexington. All right, guys. I just now realized as I was editing this video that I really did not give out an outro of that vlog with me and Cindy. So therefore, this is me just putting out my outro right now. If you like my work and you consider yourself subscribing to my channel, if you enjoyed the work that I do over here, I would really highly appreciate that. And I also would really highly appreciate you commenting and let me know how you enjoy this type of style of video that I'm doing to try to implement a vlog with these BTSs, like I said in the story before, like just inspire something I always wanted to do, but now since I got the Sony a7S III, it makes it practically pretty easy for me to do now. So, but anyway, like I said, if you enjoyed my work, consider yourself subscribing, and until the next video, peace.